Look at a growing city. New utility infrastructure, expanding civic mandates, and fresh construction projects coming online every day. When a municipality outgrows its enterprise software, it rarely happens in a sudden, dramatic crash. Instead, it's a slow, quiet accumulation of data requests that the system simply can't handle. The first warning sign usually shows up in the reporting layer. Out-of-the-box Tyler Munis reports work perfectly well for standard operations, but they start failing the moment department heads ask complex, cross-functional questions. With a growing gap between what the software can deliver and what the city actually needs to operate, finance teams are forced to make a structural compromise. They start building shadow processes. To patch the holes in the official reporting, staff create informal, undocumented workflows. You'll see a clean, centralized database suddenly fractured into a web of manual Excel bridges and disconnected data exports. Eventually, the technical foundation cracks. Custom SQL Server Reporting Services, or SSRS, jobs start timing out, failing silently under the weight of unoptimized queries. During month-end close, the entire data lineage relies completely on the memory of the 2 or 3 employees who built those spreadsheets in the first place. These brittle manual workflows introduce a systemic reporting risk that threatens the city's audit readiness. Up at the executive leadership level, the frustration of delayed, inaccurate reports eventually forces a serious conversation. And this is where cities make a critical misdiagnosis. Leadership assumes the core Tyler Munis system is obsolete and decides it needs to be ripped out entirely. Ripping out an ERP is an extreme measure. It triggers millions in costs, severe operational risks, and years of departmental disruption. But the core system works. The problem is simply technical debt, buried inside the reporting layer. It is an issue of data extraction and architecture. The engine is running perfectly, the dashboard is just wired wrong. Instead of abandoning the ERP, municipalities can repair their data infrastructure by re-architecting the reporting fabric itself. We map the report landscape, deploying a scan to pinpoint bottlenecks. Next, optimizing SQL queries repairs slow reports and accelerates data flow. Third, manual Excel exports are replaced with secure API connections. Finally, this infrastructure feeds directly into single-source executive dashboards. This 4-step blueprint transforms a brittle, manual operation into a resilient, automated pipeline, all for a fraction of the cost of a new ERP. Once a municipality is running on a refactored reporting architecture, the daily reality of the finance department shifts entirely. The month-end close stops being a multi-week panic and becomes a smooth, predictable, and highly automated process. Executives pull up reliable dashboards that update automatically. No human intervention, no manual data manipulation. But the ultimate test is the audit. Look at this interface showing a digital audit trail. Every final financial figure has a perfectly traceable step-by-step lineage directly to its original invoice. True municipal transparency is built by engineering the systems you already own to their highest technical potential. Take a look at your own team. How much of your daily operation relies on shadow processes and fragile spreadsheets? You don't have to guess whether you need a full system replacement or a strategic technical optimization. Contact Innovation Nexus to schedule a targeted municipal systems assessment. We'll map your specific reporting bottlenecks and build an evidence-based business case for exactly what technical steps you need to take next. Making the right architectural intervention today prevents the multi-million-dollar mistakes of tomorrow.